Snoring, it's not just a nuisance, it could be a sign of a serious airway issue. The good news, your dentist can help. Snoring happens when your airway becomes partially blocked during sleep. At Kell Dental Arts, we offer custom oral appliances designed to keep your airway open, reducing snoring and improving your sleep quality, without the need for surgery or a CPAP machine. I'm Dr. David Kell with Kell Dental Arts. If snoring is keeping you or your partner up at night, let's find a solution that works for you. Book a consultation today.